Hello everyone, Namaste. I am astrologer and life coach Debanvita, and today I came here again with a new and very interesting video in Vedic astrology, and this video is all about Bal Arishta Yoga. So, before starting with this video, I would like to tell you all that if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then kindly subscribe my channel by clicking the red bell icon below. Now, what is Bal Arishta Yoga and what is the meaning behind it? So, as per Vedic astrology, the term Bal means infancy or childhood or very young age, and Arishta means suffering or pain. So, the total term Bal Arishta means suffering or pain to a child, or it can also cause some kind of death in the very young age or just after birth. So, Bal Arishta Yoga is the pain or suffering related to any child. So, in this video, I will tell you certain combinations in Vedic astrology which forms this yoga if such planets are placed in a horoscope. Now, as we know that Alpayu in Vedic astrology means uh, if a person lives until the age of 32 years. Madhyayu means if that person lives until 70 years of age, and Purnayu means until 120 years of age lifeline. Now, what are those combinations which can cause this Alpayu or Balarishta yoga? So, the first combination is whenever in an horoscope of a child born, if the moon is placed in the Lagna and it is also aspected by three malefic planets, three major malefic planets like either Rahu, Ketu, Saturn, Sun, or Mars, then this yoga can cause the Balarishta yoga. Now, what is the second point? The second point is if moon is placed 6th or in 8th house in any horoscope, from where is the own sign of moon. So, as per Vedic astrology, in any horoscope, the own sign of moon is Cancer or Karkat Rashi. So, if the moon sign of a child falls in 6th or 8th house from Karkat Rashi, then this yoga can also get formed in a horoscope. Now, thirdly, if any child is born in a end of any Tithi Navamsha sign rising on end of the night or day, then or under, or suppose the moon is under malefic influence as well, then this yoga can be there in the horoscope as well. Now, fourth point is if any child is born during a natural calamity, then also this yoga can be there in his or her horoscope. Now, what are the points which cancels this Bal Arishta yoga? Now, the first point due to which this Bal Arishta yoga gets cancelled is if moon is aspected by Venus in any horoscope and the moon is quite strong in that horoscope or exalted in that horoscope, then the Bal Arishta yoga gets cancelled. Exalted means moon particularly placed in the Taurus sign or Vrish Rashi in any horoscope. Secondly, if all the planets are in their own sign, then also this Bal Arishta yoga gets cancelled as well. Thirdly, if any child is born during Shukla Paksha night or Krishna Paksha day, in these two tithis and this timing, if that child is born, then the Bal Arishta yoga also gets cancelled. Now, fourthly, if the malefic planets, all the malefic planets like Saturn, Mars, Rahu, Ketu, Sun are placed in Upachaya houses. Now, which are the Upachaya houses? The third house, the sixth house, the 10th house, and the 11th house in any horoscope are the Upachaya houses. Now, if all the malefic planets are placed in Upachaya houses and all the benefic planets like Jupiter, Mercury, Venus, etc., are placed in Trikon houses, that is 159 houses, then this yoga also gets cancelled. Now there is a very important remedy if somehow Bal Arishta Yoga is there in the horoscope of any child and it is also not getting cancelled, then performing this remedy can also give you relief to certain extent and blessings from the divine to for benefic results as well. So, what is that main remedy? That remedy is chanting of Mahamrityunjay mantra either every day 108 times or on every Monday on regular basis 108 times. It can be either chanted by the parents of the child or if the child is somehow grown up uh, to some extent, then that child could himself or herself chant that mantra as well for betterment. Now I came into this video. Hope you have liked my video about Bal Arishta Yoga, and I will again come with a new video very soon. So till that time, thank you. Namaste.